Rahman Khan, former Deputy Chairman, Rajya Sabha, is also joining us now. Rahman Khan, what are your views, sir, on the Uniform Civil Code debate, which has once again been reignited after the Prime Minister's statement yesterday?
You see, the debate on Uniform Civil Code is unnecessary because the 22nd Law Commission, after detailed examination, has rejected and said in India, Uniform Civil Code cannot be implemented. Again, I would like to go back and inform you that no less a person than RSS Sarchalak, Guru Golwalkar ji ne, he has said in 1972, when he was asked the question that, do you think that Uniform Civil Code is necessary for promoting the feeling of nationalism? His answer is, I don't. This might surprise you and many others, but this is my opinion. I must speak the truth. See as I see it. He said it is not necessary. India has always a infinite variety, and yet for a long stretch of time we were very strong and united nation. For unity we need harmony, not uniformity. So the RSS chief himself has said it is not possible to implement the Common Civil Code, and Law Commission has said it is not possible to have the Common Civil Code. And then the advocates of Common Civil Code is saying nobody knows what is the Common Civil Code, how it will be drafted, what are the contents of the Uniform Civil Code. Is it for only for Muslims opposing it, that is why you want a common code? Then what about the, first of all, they have, in all these years, in all 75 years or 9 years of BJP rule, they have not drafted a draft Uniform Civil Code. But whenever election comes, they will start the debate. So 224 election is coming. Now they have started the debate, and again they have asked the Law Commission again to go through. The Law Commission has done the exercise. What is the need for you within 2 years to take up this? It is your intention is not clear. It is only for election purpose. The Prime Minister has accused other political parties, they are politicalizing, they are opposing only for the basis of election. But what about you? You are also doing for election. If that was your intention, you would have done it in these last 9 years. So this is not implementable. Everybody knows it is not implementable. It is not for Muslim alone. There are tribal laws. There is other, in South, the Hindu law in South is different, Hindu law is North is different, Hindu law in West is different. You have not brought any, even a draft for discussion. And then you are talking about Uniform Civil Code. I don't think it is only an election stunt according to me.
Okay, but Rahman Khan, we have heard from a lot of Muslim voices in the course of our show today, from the chairman of the UP Madrasa Board currently to the chief of the Sufi Khanka Association, to also the founder of the Bharatiya Muslim Mahila Andolan, to another petitioner in the triple talaq matter. They seem to all be in favor of the UCC enactment. They say that it seems that there are just fallacies being spread against it. It will actually benefit Muslims. It will bring about equality for Muslim women because the Muslim laws have not been updated over time like Hindu laws and Christian laws have. So they want this legislation.
You update it, not Uniform Civil Code. There is Shariat Application Act, you update it. Who is opposing updating the law according to their law? See, I agree, there are certain practices which is not according to the Muslim law. For example, triple talaq, it is not according to Quran or Hadith, the triple talaq. So there are certain inconsistency has come. You study the Muslim law. Where is the defect? What you are practicing today is not Muslim law. It is a certain traditions. If you want to remove the traditions, you remove it and have a consultation with the community where you are objecting. There is a Quran. Quran says what is Muslim law, there is hadith. You enact the law according to Quran, which is justified, which is justifiable. You are not only talking with these new people who are emerged as Muslim Munch and all that. We don't give much importance to them. That may be their opinion, but yes, if you feel that there should be a Muslim women should be protected, their rights are protected. It is Islam which protects the rights of Muslim women. And today itself, Faizan Mustafa Sahab, the constitutional expert, has given a beautiful narratives of what are the protection for women have given in Quran and in Islam, which you enact that according to that.
No, but you just mentioned that there are, practices like triple talaq, which were regressive. But that's what the BJP and the NDA says, that they're the ones who finally ended the practice. It wasn't ended earlier.
We see the triple talaq, you have never made a discussion. You have never made a discussion. You should have put a question to the Muslims that show the procedure of triple talaq is in Quran or not. If it is not in Quran, why are you following? You should have questioned the Muslims. You have not studied what Quran says about talaq, about divorce.
No, but the question will be, what stopped you from bringing a legislation then earlier? What stopped the Congress party from bringing a legislation on this then earlier?
Pardon?
Why didn't the Congress party bring about a legislation? Or you believe there was no need for a legislation?
You see, there was no need for election. If you feel there is need for election, what Congress has said, we consult with them. It is for the community to. This is what Gorwalkar says. As you consult with them. You are taking unilateral decision with some few consultation. Can you not have a meaningful consultation? When did you have meaningful consultation as a government? I am not talking about Congress or BJP. It is not the question of Congress or BJP. It is a question of unity and of the nation and rights of the people under the religious right under Constitution 25, Article 25. I am not bothered which political party, what stand they take.
Yes. Now, as far as UCC once again is concerned, do you believe more consultation though is needed? Is there a need to speak to more stakeholders? Or you believe the debate should end, there should be no UCC?
No. You see what the law commission, you go by law commission. It is a statutory body. What the law commission has said is, you should bring changes within their laws, within the respective personal laws. Consult them and bring changes. Don't try to uniform it. It is your slogan. It is not possible. No, for another 10 years, you can't make it.
But the latest law commission, sir, has also opened it up for views. In fact, the chairman Justice Rituraj Awasthi has said 8.5 lakh responses have been received to the question on UCC.
No, this should let them analyze it. Let them analyze it. You should, the responses should be from the community who are affected. You don't take the responsibility of all general public. The law is, you see, we never, constitution is not uniform, everything, because there are certain provisions in the constitution for protecting various these things, and because you take 8 lakhs responses, and then first segregate the responses of the people whom the laws are affected, and whose laws you are going to change.
The Prime Minister says there is no space in this country for two laws. He says there can't be two views or two laws in a house. Why is there in a country?
I will respectfully ask. I will respectfully ask our Honorable Prime Minister, is Sir Gorwalkar is wrong? Let him say publicly. It is his considered opinion. Let him first go through the interview he has given as early as 1972 in August. And he has clearly said it is not possible. Let him first say, I reject what Guru Gorwalkar said to the nation. That is, then we will see. Uniformity is there. It is not possible. Can there is, then tomorrow he say in the country there should be only one religion. Can there be two religion in a country? He will say that next. Let there be only one religion. How can it be possible? You see, state have, now our constitutions, they say that there are laws can be enacted by center, laws that is enacted by the state, there are concurrent lists. These are all to enable people, the state can, depending upon the need for the different laws in a state, they can have different law according within the provisions of the constitution. There is no uniform law in the state.
Has the Congress decided on an official stand on UCC? Are you against it or for it?
No, Congress, the Congress has given their opinion to the earlier Law Commission, and I believe the Congress stand is same. What considered opinion Congress has given already to the Law Commission. Not this Law Commission. I don't know. I am aware whether this Law Commission Congress has given or any memorandum or anything. But earlier Law Commission they have submitted, and then the stand of the Congress is unless the community is ready to take change in their law, we should not force them. That is also Guru Golwalkar says we should not force.
Do you believe that this could though become a political issue in the days ahead, in the elections coming up?
The BJP wants to make a political issue, nothing else. The Prime Minister so far is keeping silent. Now he says, can there be two laws in a country? There is not two laws, there are two different laws. There are, you see, ours is a diverse country. How can the Prime Minister forget diversity? What does he should explain then what is diversity? Customs, diversity. Our different customs, different culture, different language. Let him say that one nation, one language. Let him say that.
Okay. Let's leave it at that. Appreciate you joining us with your views on this issue. Rahman Khan, former Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha. Thank you very much